18. Chemistry in everyday life. The lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere is troposphere. Ozone depletion in the stratosphere is mainly caused by chlorofluorocarbons. A fertile soil is likely to have a pH of 6 to 7. Saline soil contains high concentration of salt. Greenhouse effect is accelerated by deforestation, rapid industrialization, increased transportation activity, all of the above. Many people died in London in 1952 as a result of air pollution producing smoke. Global warming may result in floods, cyclone, decrease in forest productivity, all of the above. Which one of the following group of gases contribute to the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide and methane. DDT and BHC may act as carcinogens. Mercury is emitted into air by burning garbage. Persons working in cement plant and limestone quarries are more prone to disease like silicosis. Main source of lead pollution is from leaded gasoline. Which of the following is secondary air pollutant? Sulfur dioxide. Which of the following metals is not a pollutant? Aluminium. Highly toxic gas which causes headache, visual difficulty, paralysis and even death is carbon monoxide. Which of the following pollutants is the main product of automobile exhaust? Nitrogen monoxide. The process which does not evolve carbon dioxide in air is photosynthesis. Most poisonous pollutant in water is arsenic. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct response. Vitamin B1 thiamine, vitamin B2 riboflavin, vitamin B6 pyridoxine, vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin. It is dangerous to leave the car engine running in a closed garage because it may cause serious pollution due to poisoning by emission of carbon monoxide. Photochemical smog is a resultant of the reaction among nitrogen dioxide, ozone and peroxyacetyl nitrate in the presence of sunlight. Aerobic oxidation is caused by aerobic batteries in presence of excess of oxygen. High concentration hydrocarbon pollutant in atmospheric air causes cancer. Acid rain is caused by the pollution of environment by nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Lead in water can cause kidney damage. Smoke is a combination of smoke and fog. Sulfur dioxide present in the industrial chimney exhaust causes respiratory and lung disease, reduction in plants' productivity owing to acid rain, corrosion of building materials, all of the above. Fruits stored in a cold chamber exhibit longer storage life because rate of respiration is decreased. Higher concentration of nitrogen dioxide in atmosphere air causes bronchitis. London smog is found in winter during morning time. Main pollutant present in automobile exhaust is carbon dioxide. Depletion of ozone layer causes skin cancer. White lung cancer is caused by textiles. Which of the following is a secondary pollutant? Carbon monoxide. Match correctly the nutrient deficiency given in list 1 with the diseases caused by the deficiency given in list 2. Iodine, goitre, iron, microcytic anemia, niacin, pelagia, vitamin B12, pernicious anemia. Physicochemical characteristic of water in water sources undergo changes due to effluents. Which of the following was used as a chemical weapon in the First World War? Mustard gas. Which one of the following is used as an antifreeze for the automobile engines? Ethylene glycol. The water pollution in river is measured by the dissolved amount of oxygen. Azarjan A. Synthetic detergent can lather well in hard water. Reason R. Synthetic detergent forms soluble calcium and magnesium salt with hard water. Both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion A. Coal-based thermal power station contribute to acid rain. Reason R. Oxides of carbon are emitted when coal burns. Both A and R is true but R is not a correct explanation of A. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1 greenhouse gas, list 2 major source. Carbon dioxide burning of fossil, methane, enteric fermentation in cattle, chlorofluorocarbons, air conditioner and refrigeration units, nitrous oxide, nylon production. The increasing abundance of greenhouse gases in atmosphere has led to the following effect except oxygen fertilization effect. Freon used as refrigerants is chemically chlorofluorohydrocarbon. Which one of the following is not a cause for present global warming and climate change? Deforestation. Which one of the following diseases is caused through the wound or injury or surfaces of unsterilized surgical instrument? Tetanus. Acid rain is caused due to emission of which of the following into the atmosphere? Oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Which one of the following statement is correct? Ozone is found in the Earth's atmosphere mostly between 20 and 50 kilometers. What is the role of ultraviolet UV radiation in the water purification system? It inactivates kills the harmful microorganisms in water. The increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly raising the temperature of the atmosphere because it absorbs the infrared part of the solar radiation. Which one of the following sets of elements was primarily responsible for the origin of life on the earth? Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. The gas which is present in both the natural gas and the biogas is methane.